Hello everyone, welcome to Genius channel. We are discussing some Nda Physics questions. Please read the question number 75. Three equal resistances when combined in series are equivalent to 90 ohm. Their equivalent resistance when combined in parallel will be. Three equal resistances when combined in series are equivalent to 90 ohm. Their equivalent resistance when combined in parallel will be. Options 10 ohm, 30 ohm, 270 ohm, 810 ohm. Do and comment the answers. Yes, so listen, three equal resistors when connected in series, isn't it? So three equal resistance means R, R, R. So when connected in series, so R is what is the equivalent resistance when three resistors are connected in series? R plus R plus R, isn't it? That means 3R, and that value is given as 90 ohm, isn't it? That value is given as 90 ohm series. So it is R is equal to 90 divided by 3, that is 30 ohm. So R is 30 ohm. 90 divided by 3, 30 ohm. Now that is the value of each resistor, 30, 30, 30. Now they are asking if they are combined in parallel. If they are combined in parallel. 30, 30, 30. If three resistors are connected in parallel, what will be the equivalent resistance? What will be the equivalent resistance? So R equivalent is equal to what? R equivalent is equal to this 30 ohm divided by 3, isn't it? Because I have already taught you when n resistors are connected in parallel, n equal resistors are connected in parallel, then equivalent resistance will be R by n. So that is here 30 by 3, that is 10 ohm. So answer is option A. So if n equal resistors are connected in parallel, if n equal resistors are connected in parallel, their equivalent resistance will be R by n. So 30 by 3, that is 10 ohm. Okay. Okay. So all of you write one question. Write one question. The resistance of a wire is 10 ohm. If it is stretched, it is stretched 10 times, if it is stretched 10 times, the resistance will be, options 1 ohm, 10 ohm, 100 ohm, 1000 ohm. The resistance of a wire is 10 ohm. If it is stretched 10 times resistance will be. Okay. All of you try this. Okay. So listen, resistance of wire originally it is 10 ohm, isn't it? It is 10 ohm. Now we are stretching it, isn't it? Stretching it means stretching 10 times means its length is changing. Its original length was L, means now it is 10 L. Now it is 10L, isn't it? Now, when wire is being stretched, its length increases, isn't it? Its length increases, and what happens to its area? Area gets reduced. Its area gets reduced, isn't it? Its area gets reduced. What happens to area? If area was A, then area means area of cross section, isn't it? If we are having a wire like this, we are stretching it. We are stretching it means its length increases, isn't it? Its length increases, but its area reduces correspondingly. So area will become A by 10, isn't it? Area will become A by 10. Okay. Now originally resistance was 10 ohm. Now we know R is equal to rho L by A. R is equal to rho L by A. Okay. Now what they're asking, the new resistance, isn't it? New resistance. So new resistance R dash is equal to rho is same, isn't it? Why? Rho is same because this is same material, isn't it? Rho depends on material. Resistivity depends on material. L is becoming 10L. Area is becoming A by 10, isn't it? Area is becoming A by 10. So that is 100 rho L by A. 100 rho L by A. That is 100 into rho L by A is what? Rho L by A. Original resistance is 10 ohm. So that is 10. That is 1000 ohm. 1000 ohm. R is equal to R dash new resistance is equal to 1000 ohm. Option D. Option D. 1000 ohm is the correct answer. Okay. So having finished this, move to the next question. Next question. Let's write. Question. So here 3 ampere, here 1 ampere, here 2 ampere, here, here 1.5 ampere, 1.5 ampere. So this is the figure. Now the question is, the figure shows current in a part of network. Current in a part of electrical network. Electrical network. What is value of current? What is value of current I? What is value of current I? What is value of current I? The figure shows current in a part of electrical network. What is value of current I? Okay. So try all of you. Options: 0.2 ampere, 0.1 ampere, 0.3 ampere, 0.5 ampere. So listen. So what happens here at this junction? At this junction, 3 ampere and 1 ampere joins, isn't it? So 3 ampere plus 1 ampere, that is 4 amperes, isn't it? So 4 ampere reaches this junction. From that, 2 ampere is going away, isn't it? 2 ampere is going away. That means 2 ampere will reach this junction, isn't it? Now 2 ampere reaching this junction, from that 1.5 ampere is going away. 1.5 ampere is going away. Then remaining, what will be flowing here? That will be 0.5 ampere, isn't it? Understood? I'll write with another color. That is, answer is 0.5 ampere. 0.5 ampere. Understood what I'm saying? Here 3 ampere and 1 ampere joins and flow as 4 amperes. Then from 4 amperes, 2 amperes have gone this way. So remaining 2 amperes will be going this way. Then reaching this junction, 1.5 ampere is going away from the flowing away. So through this 0.5 ampere, 1.5 plus 0.5 is 2 ampere. So 0.5 ampere will be this I. So answer is option D, 0.5 amperes. 0.5 amperes. Just go by this figure, you will be getting the answer. Next question. Please write the next question. If the current is flowing through a 10 ohm resistor, then which one of the following cases maximum heat will be generated. Options are 5 ampere in 2 minutes. Option B, 4 amperes in 3 minutes. Option C, 3 amperes in 6 minutes. Option D, 2 amperes in 12 minutes. 2 amperes in 12 minutes. If the current is flowing through a 10 ohm resistor, then which one of the following cases, in which one of the following cases, maximum heat will be generated? All of you try this and comment me the answers. Try and comment the answers. Okay, so here you would have to find heat, isn't it? So what is the equation for heat? Apply Joule's law. H is equal to I square R T. H is equal to I square R T. So we see every options. So first case for the resistance is 10 ohm, isn't it? So I square R T. So here first if I am taking this first one, that is I is 5 square, R is what? R is 10, T is what? 2 minutes. 2 minutes converting to seconds. Minutes we have to convert to seconds. Find out the answer. Second case. So this case 4 square into 10 into 3 into 60. Okay, I want all of you to try this. Next is H is equal to, next third case, 3 square into 10 into, means I square R. R is 10, isn't it? T. Time is 6 into 60. 6 into 60 seconds. You have to convert to seconds. Then last case, 2 square into 10 into 12 into 60. So which one will give you the bigger value? Which one will give you the bigger value? All of you try and tell me. So this is 25 into 250, isn't it? 25 into 250, 50 into 6, 300. So 300, 2 zeros. This much joules. Second case, this is 18 into 16 into 18 into 16, then put two zeros. What you get? Similarly, find everything. Give me the answer. So that will be 288.00 joules. Next one, this is 36 into 9, 324.00 joules. Last one, what is that? That is also 288.00 joules. So which one is larger? Larger is option C. 3 ampere in 6 minutes. So you have to just substitute in this formula and see this is what law? This is Joule's law. Joule's law. Okay. So moving to the next problem. So if you copy this, you have to just apply square RT and find out which value you get more. So here it is 324.00 joule. That is 32,400 joules in the third case. Okay. So write the next question. A wire has a resistance. A wire has a resistance. Of 32 ohm. Of 32 ohm. It is melted. It is melted and drawn into a wire. Into a wire of half of original length. What is resistance of new wire? What is resistance of new wire? Options: 32 ohm, 16 ohm, 8 ohm, 4 ohm. A wire has a resistance of 32 ohm. It is melted and drawn into a wire of half of its original length. What is the resistance of new wire? Okay. So we know R is equal to rho L by A. Answer is given as 32. Okay. Now what happened? It is melted and its length is halved, isn't it? So L, original length of L means now it is L by 2. Now what happens to area? When length is reduced, area will increase. So it is 2A. Area doubles, isn't it? So length is half, that means area of cross section double. So we know R dash, new resistance R dash is equal to rho L by A. That is rho L is L by 2. What is area? Area is 2A. Okay. Now what happens? It will become rho L by 4A. Rho L by 4A. So R is equal to rho L by 4A. Rho L by 4A. That is 1 by 4 into what is rho L by A? Rho L by A is 32. 1 by 4 into 32. That is 8 ohm. That is 8 ohm. Answer is 8 ohm, option C. 8 ohm, that is option C. 8 ohm. Okay. So see you all in another video with more questions. Thank you so much.